Congruency Example 4. In the figure, E and F are points on the line AD and CD respectively. The lines AF and CE intersect at point B. What does that mean? So I will have AF line and CE will intersect each other, forming a cross. Now, when you have two lines that intersect each other like this, what kind of angles do you form? Well, we notice that ever down here, this is a pair of vertically opposite angles. So let us check now. We already have one angle that by vertically opposite angles. And then next, they tell me that AE is equals to CF. So in this case, I will have another side. And then they gave me that angle AEC, according to my diagram, is equals to angle CFA. That gives me another angle. Now, in this case, I already have two angles and one side. The one that we actually learn is we must have the side that is in between the two angles. But in this case, you take a look. I know angle AE. I know angle B. So, am I able to find angle A to be equals to angle C? Yes. So I do not necessarily need to find that third angle to make it that the side AE will be in the middle. So what I can just do is any two angles and one side will still make the property be valid. So in this case, we are going to use the property congruency test, AAS, or angle, two angles, one side. So now let us find our matching pairs, matching sides. I will have a triangle AEB. So A will match with point C. E will match with point F. And B will match with point B. So let's start to write our presentation. In triangle AEB and triangle CFB. I will start with my ASA property, the first angle that I know, the vertically opposite angle, angle ABE, to be equals to, if it's ABE, I will have CBF. So angle C, B, and F. And the reason, because this is a pair of vertically opposite angles. Okay. Now let's write our second angle that we know. So the second angle that we have is angle AEB, the one that is given to us. So if it's AEB, then I must match it with angle CFB. Go according to the labeling. Although the question over here is using CFA, but we're not going to use CFA. We'll match the matching labels. So this is given to us. And now I have two angles. I'm going to write my third side. The last one, that will be angle at the side AE will be equals to CF. And this is also given to us. So therefore, triangle AEB is congruent to triangle CFB by the, you can write it instead of writing the ASA property, you can actually use AAS also, because this property will just means two angles, one side. So therefore I have these two triangles that are congruent to each other.